Finding the Voices.
Voices talk show by Monica Ingudam.
I'm a huge fan of Finding the Voices.
You're doing a great job for Manipur.
Manipur bu prithivida masak takpa
good positive voices and make those voices more visible.
Wanted our voice to reach in all the corners of the world.
Interesting people.
Been finding voices on
People from our own place.
Share positive stories and inspiring stories and bring out the good stories of Manipur.
Finding the Voices.
Monica Ingudam, Finding the Voices.
Finding the Voices.
Finding the Voice.
Air Force
I could see my father. Who came to meet my headmaster because he was unable to pay the fee. I'm sorry.
Because we need such story for people to have faith in the government and the system that yes, it's working.
Let's bring peace in our home state,
people
Manipur.
Who have got the job without bribery, they'll do justice to their job and they will help raise the standard of Manipur.
me machine kre hai do ai adu paraga tingau gi
Adivine, Paco.
Please tune in at Finding the Voices.